talk product availability. This enables you to gather the availability of a model number and to quote it if in stock. It also provides you the ability to compare models and choose the required model based on your requirements. There's two ways to get there. First is from the toolbar by clicking Tools and then Product Availability. The other way is just to come into the homepage dashboard and click Product Availability. From here, you can enter your material number, your package code, and your quantity. If you're curious about a FERT package and want to know that package code options, you can enter that information and click Go. The results appear below. Let's go ahead and remove that. And now let's look up some material numbers. Once you start entering the material number, you'll notice it starts to autofill with all the options available for you. Once I click on one, you'll notice that that package code field goes away and the quantity defaulted to 1. Let's look up a second material number. Again, the same thing starts to happen. Now let's look at these by clicking Go. Here we've got our two material numbers, the description, show configuration button, which would show me the configuration of this model, and the product availability, which is what we came here for. I can also see the list price and its next available date. If this is what I want to go ahead and quote, I can do so by clicking on one of the quote buttons and starting my quote. But I actually want to look up something else. So let's look at a different item. Here, for example, it has also pulled up a base model number. Let's look at that. Here you'll notice it still has pulled up my previous two materials, but now I also have my base model. In this base model, it is showing me the preferred products below. If I want to see the configured products, just click on the configured products button. And to see the engineered products, click the engineer button. Let's go back to the preferred products. Here again are the material numbers listed for this base model, the description, the show configuration button, which shows your configuration for you, and the plant availability of each of these items, the price, and the next available date. If this list is too long and you don't want to sort through it, you just want to see what's available, you can do so by looking at the Show Only Available toggle button. Click on here, and it's only going to show you what is currently available. Since we don't have anything available, let's just look at what we have here. If you're satisfied with your selections and want to add a product to a quote, you can do so by clicking on one of the quote buttons. A pop-up appears where you can update the customer and brand information before navigating to the quote section. Just click on the drop-downs and then click Save. The quote ID and other basic quote information is auto-populated. You are now on the Model Details page. You can make your changes to the model details, and when you're satisfied, if you're ready to add directly to the quote, click Add to Quote. Or you can add options by clicking Add to Options. Here in the Options page, you can choose your ship loose options, scroll down to see more options, then you can add directly to the quote or view the summary. I'm going to view the summary to make sure I added everything that I wanted. Here I can see what my model number is, my factory options, and my ship loose options. If you're satisfied with your selections, choose Add to Quote. Now we've landed on the quote page and the quote is in a draft status. Go ahead and click Get Price. Then click your pricing view to see your price.